Welcome back to the homestead. I'm David with Savvy Organics Farm, and a couple of weeks ago I did a video about using your excess eggs or older eggs that you don't really want to use or sell, and how to use those as fertilizer in your gardens and greenhouse. So today in the greenhouse I'm going to show you the results. You can see we've got a lot of plants that are coming up and doing well. These are some test beds that we're doing to decide what will grow well and what won't in greenhouse settings here in our area. So you can see our spinach is doing well, bok choy is doing well, the beets are doing well, parsnips not sure, those guys haven't really even come up or germinated. Carrots are doing very well, the daikon radishes are doing very well, the regular red radishes are looking good. And over here we have some cabbages. Cabbage plants are coming up and doing well. And kohlrabi, those look good as well. And the broccoli, or the sparrow broccoli, kind of a broccoli that will taste like asparagus. Those guys are looking good. And then our regular calabrese broccoli, it grows in shoots, and it's fairly large plants. We just have one row of those planted down the middle here. Anyway, those guys are all doing very well. I am happy to report, and you can see the benefits of fertilizing those well in good soil, and then continuing fertilized with an abundance of eggs that we had. So good fertilizer, plants growing well. So I hope you find that helpful, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.